Liu mataqali Tabua, members of the mataqali Nakete and mataqali Tabua, government representatives, ladies and gentlemen, Dolbina, and a very good afternoon to all of you. It's indeed a pleasure for me to be here, especially because I've come back here after a long time. I remember coming here when I was a little boy. My family has some connections in this particular place. But as I said, it's a pleasure to be here to mark the beginning of a partnership between the Fijian government and the Lauwaki community as we embark on a shared journey to witness the coming to life of the Wairabetia Economic Zone. Ladies and gentlemen, today's handing over of the initial lease payment is just the beginning of the benefits that the Lauwaki community and the greater Lautoka and Western Division will gain from the Wairabetia Economic Zone. But I must say at this time that it is your commitment to the project by leasing your land that will enable the whole of the Western Division and the rest of Fiji to greatly benefit from it. You are all actually part of an industrial revolution in Fiji that will create better livelihoods for all Fijians. And I want to thank you for that. Ladies and gentlemen, as part of the 5-year and 20-year National Development Plan, the Fijian government has made a very strong commitment to develop Fiji as a manufacturing and services hub of the Pacific, and develop the specialized economic zones that will attract investments in these industries. So therefore, the Wairabetia Economic Zone project will work to achieve this and contribute to the development of the nation as a whole. The Wairabetia Economic Zone, or WEZ as it's known, will be a modern economic zone and will support infrastructure and utilities for large-scale information and communications technology operations, for warehouse facilities and medium to light manufacturing initially. And a multi-story, large-scale shopping complex is actually envisaged also. And that will accommodate international shopping chains, restaurants, supermarkets, banks, daycare centers, and other activity-based operations. What you must realize is that this WEZ will contribute to valuable employment creation for locals, including the Lauwaki community, and increased export earnings for Fiji, and contribute to technology and to skills transfer and expand the economic base of the whole of the Western Division of Fiji. ICT, manufacturing and other services, as I mentioned earlier, related industries will actually create additional pillars of growth and complement the developments arising from the tourism sector, and is expected to generate significant economic opportunities and sustainable livelihoods for all Fijians. It is worth noting, ladies and gentlemen, that the development is located close to a large potential labor force, and it will be a first of its kind development for the Western region. And this large-scale project further highlights the commitment of the Fijian government to addressing the socio-economic needs of our Fijian people. Apart from the employment opportunities, the community will also continue to benefit from the WEC in the long term after its initial establishment, as there will continue to be annual lease payments to the community for the land. In addition, the adjacent areas also to the WEC site will receive a significant facelift and become an economic hub of the country. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government will continue to be supportive of this community and its needs, as this economic zone development will be a prime model of efficient and sustainable use of Itoke land for national development and community advancement. It is, of course, important to consider all the aspects of the development in any project of this magnitude and ensure that all the due diligence processes have been completed. It is the government's topmost priority to protect the interests of the overall community, and which means including the environment, the natural environment, for our future generations. This project will be undertaken keeping in mind the importance of conserving our environment and also balancing this appropriately with the development needs. And I wish to, at this particular time, reassure the community that all the required assessments, such as the fisheries impact assessment and the environmental impact assessment, processes are being carried out properly in accordance with the relevant laws and regulations. And respective recompense and compensation will also be given to the landowners and traditional fishing rights owners. All the appropriate assessments are being undertaken and the recommendations will be complied with to ensure that we effectively mitigating measures that need to be put in place. But most of all, I am extremely grateful to the Lauwaki community for your continued support towards the project. And this development will only be successful with your blessings and your continued partnership. The Fijian government looks forward to the strengthening of this relationship for the betterment and the progress of our nation of Fiji. And also, please remember the younger generation that are around here. This is a wonderful, wonderful opportunity for you to become bigger and better Fijians. So with those few words, I thank you very much. I thank you again. Thank you to the whole community of Lauwaki, and may God bless you all.
Mataqali kete kina mataqali Tabua. Tomaban sa sulit